What's good, y'all? I haven't posted in a while, so let's go ahead and do a linked list question. So in this question, we're basically given two linked lists, and numbers are ordered kind of backwards. So 1, 2, 3 is actually 321, and 4, 5, 6 is actually 654. And we just go ahead and just add them together and just return them as a linked list. Well, it seems pretty simple, so let's just go ahead and solve it. We just add the numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna say while L1 and L2, we can go ahead. Okay, so while there's still two things, let me go ahead and put a while there are still two linked lists. So as long as we're going through one of those linked lists, we're gonna just go, or actually both of them at the same time, we could go ahead and go through. So let's go ahead and actually make a dummy node because we create a dummy node because the answer will, because we are creating a new linked list and returning that as the answer. So to prevent any edge cases, we go ahead and just create a dummy node. So I'm just going to say dummy is equal to list node. All right, and let's go say current is this equal to dummy. Okay. So while there's two things, let's go ahead and just add to current. So I'm just gonna say, we just go ahead and add them. So now we add them. Well, we gotta kind of make like a running count. So let's go ahead and just let's go have so we're gonna do carry because sometimes if it's like 10 or 11, that's equivalent to just 10 plus 2. So we gotta find the carries. So we could do that by doing L1 dot value plus L2 dot value. We go ahead and just add these two together and divide by 10. We use floor division and divide by 10. This is the carry. Okay, so we just do the carry, and now we just want to do, we want to find the actual number. Now we want to add the number in the one space. What's it? The single digit? I want to say it's 1. Okay. We could do that by doing I'm just gonna name it digit. I'm pretty sure there's never a better name. So it's basically just going to be L1 plus L2. We just go mod it by 10 to get the remainder. And now let's go ahead and actually add this to our new linked list. So we could do current dot next is equal to is going to be equal to list node at digit. Okay, now that we have the carry, we do current.next. Okay, L1 is equal to L1.next. L2 is equal to L2.next. We do current is equal to current.next. think we find carry later actually. Oh yeah, we should kind of initialize carry is equal to 0. So we go ahead and calculate the 1th place. Carry will be 0. Actually, let's just call this name value. And carry is equal to value. Okay, so for example, we're going to do 1 plus 4. Right, so that's 1 plus 4 plus the carry. Carry currently is just 0, and we mod that by 10, so 1 plus 4 mod by 10 is actually going to be 5. So we go ahead and just add that right here. Add this to our result. So we just do list node, so current.next. Then we go ahead and increment this left pointer. We go ahead and increment the right pointer. And we go ahead and increment the current pointer. Okay. We run into a case where if they're different lengths. Okay. There is a case where they are, where L1 and L2 are different lengths, right? Let's just say if L1 if not L1 dot next, then we can go ahead and just create, I guess, on our list node. We should kind of just put like a 0. That's what I'm thinking.
Go to counter, sell the flats, pick a hoe up on Panola. She keep asking where we at. Told her cut the music up and hide your face inside my lap. Real when all the steppers love me. I ain't leave when it was ugly. B-time posted at the buddies. Up and shoot like
if not L1, then we could just say
out the mud like I play rugby. Don't you think just cause I rap I won't put down this fucking scully. I can't lie, Central Drive taught me a lot of shit I know. Try me at the Circle K, I shot up.
If not L1, then
I done been a lot of things, but I ain't never been no hoe. My brother keep on talking about the murders, I'ma turn them ghosts. Know my girl with me, but she do the most. Ride a lot of jets and I don't care to post. Friends turn to enemies, I keep them close. Vince McMahon, we smacking down the most.
If L1 dot next is equal to none, then we do oh, I guess L1 dot next is set it equal to like list node and just initialize it with like 0.
I was robbing all the known niggas before I was known. All these niggas was saying when it come to that gangster shit, I set the tone. Slaughter gang, I'm the one that put that sword up out that stone.
Just do the same thing with this. I think we should just go ahead and just do it like this, bro. These should always go next. Current should always be incremented. There's also, if there's still a carry, so I'm just gonna say and carry. Okay. And then can we just return after? We'll just return dummy.next. Okay. So these didn't add. I guess I didn't initialize it correctly. Am I doing this wrong? I don't know, let me check. Um, okay, let's go ahead and check. Four. Okay. Mm. One, value one plus value two plus carry, mod 10. Mm. Oh yeah, true. Forgot about that logic. So first you gotta make total and just kind of just add them all together. Mm. That makes sense. This makes sense too. Mm-hmm. Huh, what's this? B1. Oh, we're not adding. We're not adding nodes. We're just using 0 instead. Okay, I get it now. Um, number 1 is equal to a 1 dot val if L1 else 0. Number 2 is equal to val if L2 else just have it 1. And total is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Let's go ahead and just say number 1 plus number 2. Such a cleaner approach. And plus carry. Okay, and then we go ahead and calculate it. Okay. And we just say L1 dot net L1 is equal to L1 dot next. L2 is equal to L2 dot next. Then we could just go ahead and just return dummy dot next. All right, let's try this out. Okay.
Welcome to Twilight Boulevard.
Hmm.
I would ask you how you've been, it's all over the internet, but hey, I mean you knew that after all. You're looking for an autopsy or a half-assed
Oh.
apology, then I think you picked the wrong time to make this call. It is not irrelevant that you stop taking your medicine, but I'm giving you the benefit, cause it's raining now. I'll tell you how the weather is, and you'll slip into some eloquently rambling mixed message, and I should shut you down. But it's cold, and it's cold, and it's cold, and it's cold, and it's cold. And I don't know, I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone.
There's something wrong with my
I hope you tell me that you're finding down, that you lost the taste to face the crowd, that whatever made you famous made you sick. That you can only do what pain allows, it ain't up to you to make it out, and there ain't no shame in calling this thing quits. But you don't, and you don't, but you don't, and you don't, and you don't. You're a ghost, you're a ghost, you're a ghost, you're a ghost, and you're poison spreading to my lungs. I ain't holding breath, ain't holding any faith at all. And I'll pray for you, and pray for you, I'll leave the porch light on. Or broken each
What?
moment it's me that turns it off. So it goes, so it goes, so it goes.
Dude.
You act like we just sit up here and wait for you to reappear, but baby, there are bills to pay and your dad's rolling
Okay.
salt. And I try to drown out all the talk, the eyeballs in the parking lot.
So we can have a variable for number one. Variable number one should either be the number, but if a number is not there, just use 0. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, I would use and. All right, well that's how you solved adding the two numbers. Let's go ahead and upload this to GitHub. Oh, where'd it go?
So it goes, so it goes, so it goes.
Oh. That's the end of the video. Later, y'all.